Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I love using iMovie. It's pretty much free on your iPhone already, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the app. You're just going to click on it, and when it comes up, you're going to press the plus button and either choose from a movie or a trailer. We went ahead and hit movie, and now we're going through and we're just picking out which videos we want. And so just find the media that you want to use, and then as you click on each tile, it'll put that little blue check mark on it. And so you'll just choose which footage you want to use. And then when you're done with that, you're going to press done, and it'll put it into basically a timeline. Now, unfortunately, I have to zoom out a bit here. So up top, it shows a bigger picture of what we're doing, but to show you everything at the bottom, I have to show you here. So you'll just hit play, and maybe the movie's a little too long that you were recording, and you want it to start right here. So you'll stop right there, click on the actual video, and then click split. When you do that, it splits it, and now you can click on that first part of the video and press delete. So very simple. Now the video is going to start here. So now you can just continue to review it, and you can either swipe with your finger to see it in fast motion, or you can press play to kind of see how it's going and that kind of thing. And again, let's say, well, let's split the video again, maybe right around here. So you'll take that clip, click on the actual strip of it, split, and then let's go ahead and split it again right about here. Click on it, hit split, and now we can delete whichever part of these we didn't want because maybe it was too long of a recording. So from here, what you're going to do is click on the transition, so that little box between the two clips, and you're going to choose which one you like. I really like this one. You can see the transition, but it's a smooth transition. So now it's added those between each of the clips. So everything looks pretty good there. So you'll just keep swiping to the left, swiping to the right, and then making the edits as you need them. But you can also click on the end of the video and bring it in to trim it, so you don't have to keep splitting it, whichever you would like to do. Now, this is just kind of a quick overview showing you how this is done. So next we're going to take the next section of our video here, and maybe we wanted to add some text to it. So when you click on the actual frame, now there's options. We're going to hit the T for text. And so as we hit that, it's going to give us different options. And I like using this one right here. It has some nice color to it, a little more variety than just regular. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then just start typing what we want it to say in the text. So I'll zoom up a little here. This is the top part, so you can't really see the bottom where we're editing, but here's our new location, kind of text that we wanted to put in here. And now we're just kind of watching the rest of the video and liking how it's coming together. So I'm going to zoom back down towards the bottom to show you the cutting again. Okay, so again, we're just kind of sliding this wherever we want it. We're clicking on the actual clip itself, and then we're hitting split to kind of split it. There's all kinds of things you can do. You can just kind of play around with it and see. But I thought that section was too long, so I kind of clicked on it and split it and then deleted it. And I'm just kind of doing that same thing here. Let's skip all this getting into the car and just show us inside the car ready to leave kind of thing. Just depends on what you want to do and how you want to trim it. I'm going to go ahead and take it right here, click on the clip, hit split, and then I'm going to delete and click on the other part that I want to delete and just delete it. So here we are. It looks pretty good. You can kind of zoom through it pretty quick. And again, up top, it's showing you everything. And so this one I hit duplicate because I wanted the same scene maybe that's later in the video to show up at the beginning. So what I did is I hit duplicate to that, and then I'm holding down on it with my finger. Now I can drag it to the front. So now it looks pretty good there. The video is going to start with that part. And again, you can hit plus. You can hit on it and hit the T button for text. And you can start typing in whatever you want it to say. Okay, so I chose this format. I like it. At the very top, I usually put the channel's name, so Danny Johnson's Garage here. And then towards the bottom, you can click on it and press edit. And let's just put that it has to do with the massage. In fact, we'll give it the name too. It was called Melted Massage was this place. So we'll go ahead and put the cursor on the front and just write Melted Massage. And you know what? I didn't capitalize that, so let's go ahead and just kind of hover right there. Put a capital M on there. Very good. So now that's how it's going to play when you go to watch the video, it kind of comes out. And I'm kind of speeding through this just to kind of look and see if overall I like what I see. So everything's looking pretty good here now. So now we want to add some other effect to it, which music is a great thing that we can do. So let's go ahead and just check here, make sure that the clip's going to end well showing the car, different parts of it that I want it to show, because make sure the lighting's good, everything like that. Okay, so everything looks good. I'm zooming to the very front and I'm hitting the plus button and then audio, and then I'm going down to music tracks that it already gives you. It gives you a whole bunch of free music, so you just push on the one you want. Okay, and so we're just kind of splitting this up a little bit more. And now we're going to press plus for voiceover. Okay, so we want to basically talk. Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you the fun time that I had at this new massage location and blah, 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 blah. Okay, so just showing you a little bit more here towards the bottom. So you have all these, you know, the scissors to trim. You have the speed, the volume, the text, the different filters. Okay, so for example, the scissors is kind of what we've been doing. You click on what you want, whether it's the audio or whether it's the video, and you can cut those up and move them around however you like. The speed is pretty self-explanatory. You click on that, you're going to go faster or slower with the video, and so pretty easy. You can slow things down if you need to. The volume is really important. In fact, I'll turn it to down if my voice is too loud, or I'll even mute it if there's background music or talking, and I basically would rather just voiceover. So I might record raw footage and other people are talking, and it's not going to, I'm not telling them to be quiet while I record kind of thing. I just record and then I'll do a voiceover later. But you can click on the music itself here. So that's the green tab, and you can cut it so that the music maybe stops after the title's done, whatever you want to do for that. We kind of talked a little bit already here about these text titles down here at the bottom, and this gravity is kind of a good one. You can take it and you can actually just move around the letter and put the whatever you wrote wherever you want it on the screen. Okay, and then down here at the little color symbol, you can put filters on this, change it to whatever color you want it to look like if you want certain effects. And so there's just all kinds of stuff that you can play around with and move. And so I encourage you, if you have an iPhone, just search iMovie. It's on there, and you can make all kinds of videos with this, and you know, just edit, start playing with it, and upload it directly to YouTube. And so what I always do is put the title in there, and then I put the music, and if you edit the music to stop right when the video stops, you listen to the tune, it ends itself. Okay, and then from here you just hit back and you go to basically the main menu here where it shows the video, and at the bottom you hit the little arrow, little box with the arrow in it, and go over to the YouTube app and click on it. And then if you have a YouTube account and you're signed in and everything, then all you have to do is put in the title and the information and then upload it. So very easy to do, and something I've really enjoyed. I pretty much videotape, edit, and upload straight from my phone. So if you have any questions, let me know. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.